The race to build the ultimate sub-250-gram drone has pushed engineering to its absolute limits, and if you are tracking the absolute peak of ultra-portable aerial cinematography, the discussions surrounding the DJI Mini 6 Pro prices change everything. For years, content creators, travel vloggers, and professional videographers across the United States operated under the assumption that a lightweight drone meant compromising on image quality, low-light performance, and advanced tracking. Then DJI completely shattered those boundaries, packing cinema-grade sensors, omnidirectional obstacle sensing, and intelligent flight modes into a tiny chassis that slips right into your jacket pocket. Today, we are breaking down the exact expected pricing strategy of the upcoming DJI Mini 6 Pro, analyzing the massive financial investment this next-generation sub-250G powerhouse will demand, dissecting the jaw-dropping leaked specifications, and answering the ultimate question that every creator is asking: is this upcoming drone actually worth saving your money for, or should you buy current gear right now? Keep watching, because what we are about to reveal about retail pricing structures, sensor leaps, and battery innovations will completely shift your perspective on modern drone technology. To truly understand where the DJI Mini 6 Pro prices will land when it officially launches across major United States retail channels like B&H Photo, Best Buy, and the official DJI store, we have to look back at how DJI historically structured its flagship sub-250G pricing tiers. When previous iterations like the Mini 4 Pro and Mini 5 Pro debuted, they established a very consistent baseline. Standalone base packages utilizing standard controllers typically opened in the mid-$700 range, while the comprehensive Fly More combos featuring the upgraded DJI RC2 screen-based controller climbed past the $1,000 milestone. Industry insiders, retail supply chain whispers, and major leak sources indicate that DJI plans to push past that historical ceiling with the Mini 6 Pro, driven by unprecedented manufacturing costs, advanced stack sensor architectures, and regulatory compliance engineering. Current market projections suggest that the standalone baseline package for the DJI Mini 6 Pro will likely debut around $800 to $850, while the fully loaded Fly More combo with the DJI RC2 screen remote is expected to hover right around $1,100 to $1,200. For a drone weighing under 249 grams that packs professional-grade specifications, this pricing structure positions it not as a mere toy, but as a serious, high-performance aerial production tool. However, looking at just the base sticker price tells only half the story. When you factor in essential professional accessories such as high-speed V30 or V90 micro SD cards capable of handling massive data bit rates, ND filter sets for controlling shutter speed in harsh sunlight, extra high-capacity batteries, and comprehensive DJI Care Refresh insurance plans to protect your investment against unexpected crashes, your actual cart total will climb significantly. Creators building a complete, field-ready kit featuring the DJI Mini 6 Pro are looking at a total financial commitment that can easily push past $1,300 to $1,400 once tax and protection plans are applied. This reality forces every independent vlogger, real estate photographer, and travel filmmaker to weigh a critical question: why spend top dollar on an unreleased flagship mini drone when current models like the Mini 4 Pro and Mini 5 Pro are heavily discounted, highly capable, and already handling professional workloads with absolute ease? To answer that, we have to look closely at what DJI is reportedly packing under the hood of this next-generation aircraft, because the engineering leaps rumored for the Mini 6 Pro represent a massive generational shift. The primary driver behind the anticipated DJI Mini 6 Pro price tag is the revolutionary sensor technology rumored to be squeezed into its sub-250G frame. While previous mini drones relied on smaller sensor formats, leaks and supply chain reports indicate that DJI has engineered a brand new, highly optimized stacked CMOS sensor designed to maximize light collection, dynamic range, and shadow detail. Think about what this means for golden hour and nighttime drone cinematography. Traditional mini DRO nests notoriously struggle in low-light environments, introducing digital noise and crushing shadow details as soon as the sun dips below the horizon. A next-generation stack sensor combined with advanced on-chip noise reduction algorithms changes the game entirely, allowing creators to capture pristine, cinematic 4K or even 6K footage in dim lighting without sacrificing clarity or introducing artifact-heavy grain. Furthermore, rumors point to the inclusion of a mechanical variable aperture or significantly enhanced bitrates, giving professional videographers precise physical control over exposure and depth of field directly in the air. Flight performance, obstacle avoidance, and battery chemistry are additional areas where DJI is heavily investing to justify the upgrade cost. staying under the critical 249-gram legal threshold while adding heavier, more powerful camera hardware and advanced processing chips is an absolute engineering nightmare. To solve this, industry leaks suggest that DJI is utilizing cutting-edge silicon anode battery technology. Silicon anode cells pack dramatically higher energy density into a smaller, lighter physical footprint, potentially pushing real-world flight times past the 40-minute mark on a single charge. Combined with next-generation OcuSync transmission protocols providing ultra-stable, crystal-clear 1080p live video feeds over massive distances with zero stutter or signal lag, pilots can fly with total confidence even in highly congested urban environments or interference-heavy locations. Omnidirectional obstacle sensing powered by advanced AI tracking algorithms ensures that the drone can autonomously navigate complex environments, weaving through trees, tracking fast-moving subjects, and executing complex cinematic flight paths without risking a catastrophic collision. When examining retail availability and market demand across the United States, major photography and drone retailers prepare for intense pre-order surges whenever a new DJI flagship drops. Because regulatory scrutiny and import guidelines surrounding drone technology continue to evolve rapidly, initial production allocations of high-profile releases frequently experience supply bottlenecks and backorders. Professional content creators view high-end drones not as disposable consumer gadgets, but as essential income-generating business assets that pay for themselves through client work, stock footage licensing, and elevated YouTube production value. Having a drone that bypasses heavy registration requirements in many regions while delivering footage that rivals larger, bulkier cinema drones means creators can travel light without compromising on professional quality. Evaluating the broader drone market reveals why DJI's premium pricing model commands fierce loyalty. While cheaper budget competitors flood online marketplaces with low-cost quadcopters, they invariably suffer from terrible stabilization, unreliable wireless connections, poor color science, and zero firmware support. Investing in a proven flagship ecosystem like the DJI Mini series guarantees multi-year software updates, robust safety features, intuitive flight interfaces, and exceptional resale value. Assess your current aerial setup, evaluate whether your current drone limits your creative potential in low-light or complex environments, and determine if upgrading to the pinnacle of ultra-portable flight technology is right for your channel. Drop your thoughts down in the comments below. Do you think an $1,100 price tag for a fully loaded sub-250-gram drone is justified, or are you sticking with your current model? Let us know, hit that subscribe button, and we will see you in the next deep dive into cutting-edge technology.